When it comes to severe weather, we start seeing the first inklings of potential about a week in advance. However, most of the time, these systems don't pan out for one reason or another, and you won't hear us mention it because we aren't going to tell you about a situation we have zero confidence in. That isn't ethical, and that's called weather hype, and we don't do that at KOMU 8. However, when it looks like a possibility, days in advance, we will start mentioning the potential. All the while, behind the scenes, we are going to be digging into the data, looking at all the possibilities, and discussing the situation actively as a weather team. We do this often, talking about the forecast as a team, day to day. It makes us stronger. We are always careful with our messaging. You won't often hear me say something is going to be significant or dangerous or life-threatening. That's because when I do say those words and phrases, I want you to know I mean it. In weather communication, there has to be a range. You can't treat dense fog the same as you treat thunderstorms or flooding. You can't use the same tone. We believe in ethical and balanced weather communication. That's part of our storm mode promise and why we developed our storm mode scale from 0 to 5 so you know how significant a situation is. A 0 means there is no need to worry. A 1 means there likely won't be any issues, but still pay attention. A 2 means there could be some issues and you'll want to stay up to date. A 3 means we expect issues and damage is possible. A 4 means we expect a potentially life-threatening situation and you need to be prepared for especially rough weather. A 5 means a life-threatening situation is likely and everyone should be on high alert. We will break down the risks by hazard type too, because every system is different and needs to be treated and respected in its own way. Those hazards are flooding, hail, wind, and tornadic threat. Of course, lightning is always something you should be alert of. Remember, when thunder roars, go indoors. So days in advance, the system will come into clearer view and we will begin honing in on the specifics. We'll explain the science of the storm even in augmented reality. We'll know timing, location, intensity, impacts, and hazards, and we will let you know what you should do to be prepared. We'll do this on all of our platforms as part of our storm mode promise. Multiple daily updates on air, online, on Facebook, on Twitter, and on the KOMU 8 weather and traffic app. In fact, our weather app was made with Missourians in mind. You can see the current conditions, interactive radar, live traffic slowdowns, video updates, and our 10-day forecast. We can send push notifications with exclusive videos just for your location. So if a thunderstorm is coming towards your area, we might send you an update with what to expect and when, or a notification when the forecast has a last-minute change and you need to know about it. It's also that you're never caught off guard. And personally, my favorite use of our weather app is the live stream. When you're in your safe place during a tornado warning or when the rain is heavy and you've lost electricity or satellite reception, you can still stream our live storm mode coverage in the app. We know you probably can't take your TV into your closet or your bathroom, but you can take your phone. We're with you through it all, wherever you need us. That's all part of our storm mode promise. When severe weather is finally here, we will cover it live on our newscasts and on social media. If conditions warrant, we will break into coverage on KOMU 8 and the Mid-Missouri CW to track this storm and alert those in the path of danger. Our promise is to keep you safe, alerting you before a storm hits and staying with you until the threat is over.
And we'll do that every way we can.
You're the reason we're here. You put your trust in us, and we work hard every day to live up to that expectation.
For us, coverage you can count on is more than a slogan. It's a promise we work hard to keep every day.